Hi everyone, I'm Samantha and I'm the Transformation Lead at Pollisum. At Pollisum, we believe that businesses have a responsibility to grow sustainably. As a company in the heavy lifting industry, we are conscious that our operations consume significant energy. Hence, we are always looking for ways to reduce our carbon emission. Installing solar panel was a natural step for us as it allows us to harness renewable energy and to reduce our carbon emission. In addition, it also allows us to contribute back to Singapore's broader sustainability plans. Like most infrastructure projects, one of the key challenges is to ensure that the installation could be carried out without any disruptions to our operations. We had to carefully consider the structural and safety aspects of installing solar panel on our facility. With close coordination and proper planning with the GetSolar team, we were able to ensure the project progressed smoothly. The immediate benefit is better usage of space, where we are able to generate part of our energy consumption through renewable sources, and this improves our overall energy efficiency of the facility. Our experience working with GetSolar has been positive. They have been professional and responsive, and we have been working very closely throughout the entire project. For Pollisum, sustainability is a journey. Solar panel installation is one meaningful step, and we will continue to explore more ways to operate sustainably for our business and for the community.